Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Alibaba icon down below and click on settings. Scroll down till you find the delete account section and tap on it. As you can see, once you deactivate your account, it won't be accessible. Your information on this application will be permanently deleted. You cannot undo this action. Your data will be also permanently deleted and you will lose access to member benefits. So if you accept these conditions, tap on delete account down below. Now if you have read this text, tap on delete account. And now it is loading, but first you need to enter the word delete into this box. And after that, tap on delete account down below. Now as you can see, your account has been deleted, so you are free to create a new one or register again. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.